Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the PURA DOR, 4 ounces, organic rosehip seed oil 100 pure cold-pressed USDA certified organic all-natural anti-aging moisturizer treatment for face, hair, skin, nails, men, women. Packaging may vary. It doesn't leave your face oily at all and only takes a minute or two before sinking in and leaving your face silky smooth. It seems to help smooth fine lines, reduce a little of the darkness under my eyes, and it gives my skin a really healthy glow. A pure oil that is not greasy. Rosehip seed oil isn't supposed to be. It's considered a dry oil, quick absorbing to let me seal in moisture. This has the earthy scent that is consistent with good quality rosehip oil that is supposed to give you the most benefits. 5-benzoyl peroxide cream and another cream made from Garnier Moisture Rescue with added tea tree oil in this rosehip seed oil. This one is amazing. It has a mild rosehip's aroma. It's not watered down. Instantly my face felt amazing. It's def up on my top oils as currently. The pump top is very convenient. The scent is very natural, so you know there isn't artificial gunk thrown in. My routine at night consists of the following: double cleanse, exfoliation, pressing a few drops of this into the skin followed by a moisturizer. The scent is a tad off-putting, but good skincare isn't supposed to smell good. Fragrance is the one offender with allergic reactions. The oil is a lovely golden yellow and pleasant faint smell of dried grains with a slight hint of cacao butter. The price now is terrific. It's a real saver at $46. With 5 children, Botox and surgery are both not an option for me. Having applied this product twice daily for only a week, it does seem to reduce the appearance of fine facial lines and nourish the skin. You can mix 1 drop of peppermint essential oil to rosehip to feel cool and refreshed during the hot summer months. My skin feels so smooth and soft and positively glows at NGHT. It is the first thing on my face after cleansing. My granddaughter gets severely dry hands in the winter from frequent hand washings in school, and everything sets them on fire except rosehip seed oil. If you haven't tried rosehip oil for your skin, you need to. It doesn't work for everyone, but most people have amazing results. It is so nice to find a company that has their beliefs to transform people's lives by creating products that are wholesome. It is amazing as an oil cleanser and takes off all my makeup in seconds without any harsh chemicals, especially around the delicate eye area. Love this product line. Would highly recommend it to anyone looking for an 100 organic skin treatment solution. Looking forward to trying new PURA DOR products in the future. Not only does it help with this, but it also has reduced how oily my skin is. My pore size and my face and neck look youthful and supple. There is a very mild scent, perhaps nutty or earthy, nothing funky that is noticeable at first, but certainly not distracting when on face and such. If you research rosehip seed oil, it is listed as one of the top natural moisturizers for aging skin, aiding in cell turnover, treating and smoothing wrinkles and acne. In my opinion, it doesn't smell great but doesn't smell bad either, and it doesn't bother me while on my skin. Rosehip oils is great for calming the skin if you get too much sun and are on the verge of a burn. For those purists out there, it contains one of the 4 most commonly accepted types of rosehip seed oil: Damascena rugosa, rubiginosa and canina, so it's legit. And upon doing some research, the canina variety might be among the most medicinally active. See International Journal of Molecular Sciences Therapeutic Application of Rosehips from Different Roses Species, May 25, 2017. This is one of the best deals you can find for less than $4 per ounce in a nice amber glass bottle capped with a convenient pump. The oil has a high concentration of omega-369 fatty acids, therefore has a hint of fish oil smell and similar consistency. It is fantastic, and that other products can be applied so much more easily without the pulling of the facial skin. It has a nice clean delicate scent and leaves my skin better armed in my continuing battle against sun-damaged skin. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.